Hello everybody, this is Andy with Intelligent Video Solutions, and in this short video we're going to be going over the user group right to copy a schedule. To start, let's go to Settings, Users and Groups, select the group we want to be able to copy schedules, and scroll down to Rights. Within Rights, we can go into Schedule, and you'll now find Copy. You can open up Copy and you can also find all authors. So if you give a user group access to copy a schedule, you can copy your own, or you can copy schedules from yours and everybody else's. Now what this does, if a user group has the right to do this and a user goes into your Schedule tab and they select a scheduled recording, they'll now see a third button. Instead of just edit and delete, right in the middle you'll find copy. So if you have a bunch of different schedules that you need to put into place, you can create one and then just copy it and change it however you see fit. For instance, if I have PT 400 Open Lab, and this takes place on Mondays and Thursdays, and I need to have another one that takes place maybe a different time on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, I can copy this. And immediately what it'll do is give it the exact same room, exact same template, everything except for recording name will just have copy in this. And now I can make whatever changes we see fit. If I only need to change maybe one item like the actual room, now it's going to have the exact same settings just in this room. Or if I go through any of these other settings, I can change who this is shared with, who the author is, what the retention settings are, or anything else related to the occurrence of this schedule. So again, this is a role permission to be able to copy a schedule if you just need to make some minor changes to one.